going down Ridge Road in Monster where they got hit hard. And you see we still getting some rain out here. We not getting a break. Power line down right there. Some of these trees on these lines, the only thing keeping trees from falling to the ground, that the power line holding it. All down there. Trees, this is unbelievable. They got hit hard over here in Monster. I thought we got hit hard in Sherville, Monster, and they said Garrett. Them houses over there in Garrett, they ain't nothing but frame houses. They're like $50,000 homes. They terrible. I can imagine most of them houses probably got blown away. This is crazy. Right lane closed ahead. See what we got going on up here. Trees down, trees down. Look. A lot of these people took what they could off their lawn and put it on the edge, and they said they're gonna come by and pick them up to just help out and put what they can on the edge. Put it on the edge of their lawn, they just come by and grab it. Look down there. See that tree down there? I gotta keep moving, but look at that tree down there. Shh. This is unbelievable. The governor came Tuesday after the disaster. The governor Indiana came Tuesday, and he did a surveillance went to Gary, and he right away issued a disaster relief, and right away National Guards came, try to help clean up some of these trees. This has gotten worse. I came through here the other day and it was, some of these trees must have snapped. Must have just kept snapping. Jeez, that's what, because it used to be 2 lanes, 4 lanes, 2 both ways. Now we're only down to 1 lane because the trees that came over and, fell over into the streets. All these trees. All of these trees are down. That's why the kids down up there. Is that down on the house? That's crazy. This power line's ticking. Raining again. I'm only out here because I'm trying to charge up one of my phones. And sitting still for so long can drive you crazy. Oh, truck coming here to pick up some trees. I see action. Monster got hit really hard. It's gonna take a while to get all this stuff over here clean. Yeah, so while I'm out here getting some juice phone, might as well get some of this footage. Look at this tree. Look at this tree right here. It's hard to see. I'm over here at Wicker Park. Over here at the park. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to see, but all them trees in there is just, ooh, Lord, it's gonna take them a while to get this stuff cleaned up. Yeah. They need all the help they can get over here in this area. Because this got, to me, from what I've seen, I haven't been to Gary, but from what I've seen in Dyer and Schererville and Maryville, Monster, from what I've seen, it's gotten hit the hardest. They have gotten hit the hardest. It's hard to see because this rain drops on the window. This has not been one of our best summers. Actually, this summer's been trash. This summer's been trash because the economy is messed up. People really don't have the money like they want to go out and enjoy their life when the weather was good. And now you have this crap. And it's still raining. We haven't seen blue skies almost a week. This can't be healthy. We need sunlight. And this is just ridiculous. All these trees down, power out. This has been this has not been one of the best summers. I can say that. It would have to be one of the top 3 worst summers that I've ever known of because I've never seen nothing like this before. See about this kind of stuff on the news, but to see it up close at hand and go through it, God is good. We will make it through it. I got skills. This is illegal, but I got skills. Let's see. Okay, you go, now you guys go. Then I go. Dangerous intersection. Heading back towards my neck of the woods, Schererville. That was Monster. Look at these clouds. Look at that traffic. 3 nights in. This is the 4th night. This feels like a movie of blackout or getting ready for the purge. No, they're gonna have the stuff up before it get like that, but this is not cool at all. At all. Wanna beat me? Wanna race me? Wanna race me? Let's get it. Let's get it. People trying to eat anything they can. Anything. If you're at a food truck, you could be selling salami sandwiches. People are gonna come now because people are hungry. And they don't want to sit in these long lines in these grocery stores to get food. Food trucks need to come out here and make a killing. Taste Chicago, come to Indiana. Yeah, we're in Highland, Indiana now. Yeah, we're in Highland. Left Monster, I'm in Highland. Oh, Sabrina's is open. Sophia's, my bad. Sophia's is open. They packed. They packed it when it's regular day. So imagine now, everybody like, just give me something to go, shit. You ain't gotta sit here, you hungry. Man, oh, I should've went over there and got some gas right quick. Let me see, no, they ain't got no gas. They ain't got no gas, they got the nozzles covered up. Dang, Sophia's. People, ooh. Boy, if there ever be a food shortage, we're in trouble. Just almost saw an accident at the intersection. People are stupid. No ain't no lights. We all in this together. What the hell you in a rush for? What you in a rush to get no power? Just slow down. Take it easy. I tell you what, it feels good to see traffic lights. I guarantee you that. It feels good to see traffic lights. Because if not, people are inconsiderate, they're rude, and very ignorant. Myers grocery store here. Tuesday night, this line was all the way up this hill I just came over to get in there. They were trying to get in there, and they were trying to go to the grocery, to the gas station up here, at Myers gas station. We got stuff on opening up over here. Petco, that's my spot. Best Buy, like stuff is opening up. They're getting power over here. Highland was getting their power fast. Look at this gas station. They're not as. Yesterday, I need to go over there. They got gas. Why it's not busy? Oh no, it's a line getting up in there. Ooh, can't see. My bad, y'all. Yeah, that's the line right there to get in there. Cause they try not to keep it jam packed up in there. It's not a long line, but I have almost a full tank, so I don't need to go get no gas. I'm good for a minute. To hold me down. Over here though, Tuesday night, this area was popping. Everybody was over here. Everybody was at this Burger King. I think Panda was open, but up the way is Olive Garden. If you didn't like Italian food, you turned Italian Tuesday night, quick. McDonald's was, I need to get out this line because McDonald's are like up here is got this line going up in there. I'm gonna have to make some maneuvers. Couldn't get over. It's all good though. I think I can keep going without having to stop. Look like nobody's going in the entrance. But it's a line up in McDonald's. And yeah, Panda's open. They had to have taken that thing and put it aside. Tuesday, it could not be still standing. There's no way them trees could get ripped out the ground and this darn stupid looking thing is flapping around like, hi, I'm still here. Olive Garden still popping. All them cars up in there. Heading into Sherrville. Here come my town. Here come my town. It's still jacked up. No lights still. Duke they ain't doing nothing yet. They there. Yeah, I don't think they have no power. I wouldn't want nobody working on my car, no way. Not right now. You ain't got no power. You ain't touching my ride. Oh, Raising Cane's is open. Raising Cane open up. Back to my neighborhood. Back into my neighborhood. I see some lights working now though. Look like we getting some progress going on up here. I see signal lights working. That makes me feel good because that lets me know there's power coming. Power is coming. These lights were not working. They were not working last night. I'm on Route 41, Indianapolis Boulevard. You know. And there's a little progress. Menards and Home Depot. Home Depot had full power yesterday. Menards was working off a generator. It was kind of dark up in there, but they was open. Home Depot, they got power over there too. The Enterprise window was open. We're getting power down through here now. Thank God. It would be lovely to go home and I got power at the house. That would be great. That would be so wonderful. These lights flashing, I'll take them flashes. Because they were not on at all yesterday. Like we got power up inside of Mercedes. Got power up in there. So it look like in this little area, they winding up. BMW. Look like they got power up in there too. This oil exchange joint. Oil exchange car wash. It looks like power is going on up in there. Yeah, it's power because it's lit up. So look like we starting to get cracking over here. Look like Portillo's has got, they open. Everything is about to get ready to start opening up around here, look like. I'm assuming by the end of the day, hopefully, in this area we have power. Well, back here closer to my crib. Still no lights over here though. Still no lights over here. Some of these places look like they're open, but they're not open for business because they got to throw away a lot of food, a lot of stuff got to get tossed out first. And this is the corner of Indianapolis and Lincoln Highway, corner of Route 41 and Route 30. And this is a very, very major interchange right here. You could take this Route 30 all the way to Ohio. And this Route 41 Indianapolis can take you all the way to Indianapolis. It'll take you some time, but you get there. But this is a major cross route street right here. So these lights right here, I'm surprised to get these lights going first in this area because this is a major crossroad. Now, it's still down. When these come up, I know my lights in my crib is gonna be up soon. 10 original sliders for only $8.99. Can't slide up in there because you ain't open. Slide me some electricity, why don't you? How about that? This is a major crossroad. We had, trucks, everything come down through this joint. This is a major crossroad, this street. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, y'all. Little progress. Slowly for surely.